Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download and install Firefox browser for XIAOMI Redmi 10A. So let's start with opening Google Play Store. Here on the top, click for the search pool and enter Firefox. Now we can select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. Now we can customize it, so choose your theme, pick a toolbar placement, switch always on privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. From here we can open any website. And as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.